things that are keeping you poor in Papua New Guinea. Let me tell you something, Wantokism is one of the biggest reasons many Papua New Guineans struggle financially. Yes, we are Melanesians, and yes, we believe in helping our Wantoks. But if we're not careful, it will break you, your family, and even your business. You work hard, but the moment you get pay, there's always a relative or a friend asking for help. And what happens? You keep giving, and before you know it, you're left with nothing while they continue to rely on you. If you don't set boundaries, you'll stay poor. Nah, listen, stop giving unnecessarily. Some of you just love hearing people call you Bossman or Boss Mary. But let me ask you, does that title put money in your pocket? Does it put food on your table? No, these people will take from you as long as you keep giving. But when you need help, no one will be there. Praise and compliments won't pay your bills. So be wise with your money and stop the free handouts. Another big problem is our culture of pig killing and house greed. Yes, these traditions are important, but let's be honest, many of us go overboard. We spend money like there's no tomorrow, just to impress others. And what happens after the feast? You're broke. You can contribute a little, but don't go beyond your limit. If you keep spending recklessly, you'll never build anything for yourself. And here's another hard truth: stop letting grown men and women live in your house for free. If they're adults, it's time for them to find their own way. Too many people in PNG are sitting around, depending on family, instead of getting up and making something of themselves. If you keep feeding and housing them, they'll never learn to survive on their own. You're not helping them, you're keeping them weak. Now, let's talk about saving money for your adult children. Your retirement savings are for you, not for them. Some of you are draining your own savings to help your children, but listen, they are adults, they should be working and saving for themselves. When you retire, you need that money for your own survival. If you keep giving it away, who will take care of you when you're old? Think about that. Finally, you cannot buy leadership with money. Stop giving uncontrollably, thinking that it will win you influence or power. It won't. Leadership is about character, wisdom, and the ability to lead, not about how much money you can hand out. Many people have spent everything trying to gain power, only to be left with nothing. Be smart. If you want to be a leader, work on your skills, your knowledge, and your reputation, not just your wallet. So my friends, if you want to break free from poverty, be wise with your money, set boundaries, plan for your future, and don't let cultural expectations drain your finances. The choice is yours. Do you want to struggle forever, or do you want to take control of your life and build a better future?